Yo, what up guys, music and gameplay today with you here, and we have another episode of the Minecraft. So in the first episode we've been building a piston door, so that thing. Today I'll show you how to build a refrigerator. Uh, so first thing you'll need, it's a dispenser. Wait, let me find it. Dispenser or dropper, it's same. Then you'll need where is it? Wait, just a bit. Find this. Oh, redstone lamp, button, and an iron door. Okay, so first thing you'll need to do, put the iron door like here. It'll be that sided. Come behind the door, put the redstone lamp right like this. Then above it, put the dispenser looking that way. Okay, so go to the sneaky mode, put the button to the dispenser, and that's it. Just choose your type of food. I don't know, golden apple, cooked rabbit. Put it in the here, put it in the dispenser, and that's pretty it. Just press the button, the redstone lamp will turn on, and it will drop apple or anything you put in here. So, and if you enjoy, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, share, and have fun. Bye bye.